Routine maintenance is an important part of owning a home. While time consuming, it can save you thousands in the long run. Home maintenance can be a tedious task that few enjoy, but maintaining your home the right way can save you money on those costly repairs in the future. Today I'll tell you some ways of maintaining the interior and exterior of your house. Performing these simple tasks will greatly improve the chances of your home and its equipment lasting a very long time. First, let's talk about some of the areas to maintain on the interior of your home. Air filters. According to EnergyStar.gov, visually check air filters monthly and at a minimum, replace them quarterly. The bottom line is that if it needs to be changed, go ahead and change it. A dirty filter will slow down the airflow to your system, causing it to work harder and ultimately cost you more money and energy costs, as well as wear and tear on your unit, eventually causing it to fail. As with the filters for your AC and furnace, you should inspect the ductwork for your system to ensure that there are no loose or disconnected connections. If there is, this could be costing you hundreds in energy costs. The air will not be routed to the proper place and may be blowing out into your attic or basement, thus wasting energy. This will also add wear and tear to your unit. Another item that I like to inspect are electrical outlet covers. This is a simple and easy task. Simply inspect these items to ensure that there are no cracks or other damage or any visual signs of a faulty circuit. Replace any covers that you find have been damaged. Doing so will also avoid any unwanted fingers from possibly entering the wall outlet. If you detect signs of a faulty circuit, please contact an electrician for further assistance. Ultimately, if you don't know how to fix an item, please contact a professional. Next item is vent and exhaust fans. Ensure that these items are properly working and that they are lubricated. Doing so will reduce energy costs by ensuring proper ventilation. For example, a broken attic fan will not properly ventilate and ultimately cause your AC unit to work harder until it eventually causes it to fail. This scenario actually happened to a friend of mine, and the outcome was that he had to purchase a new $7,000 AC unit and as well as a new vent fan. All this could have been avoided had he inspected his house and found the faulty ventilation fan and replaced it. Another item I'd like to discuss with you is smoke detectors. This item is as important as any other in your home and often gets overlooked. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, you need to test your smoke detectors monthly, replace the batteries as needed, but at least replace them annually. Next, we'll talk about windows and doors. Inspect around the interior of all windows and doors for cracked or missing weather stripping or seals. Doing so will reduce energy costs by not allowing hot or cold air to escape your home. Along with seals, garage door seals, tracks, and springs. Last, as with the windows and doors, inspect garage door seals. Doing so will reduce energy costs as well as keep out some pesky bugs. You should also lubricate the tracks and springs of your garage door. Doing so will reduce wear and tear on the unit, ultimately extending the life of your opener. Thus far, we have discussed some of the items you should regularly maintain and inspect on the inside of your home. Next, we'll cover some of the items that you should look for on the exterior of your house. AC and furnace servicing. This is subject to the manufacturer. However, I like to have my AC unit furnace semi-annually. This will increase the operation and keep it running as it should. Also, if any defect is found, it is usually easier to fix it now versus wait until it breaks completely and you have to go without AC or heat. Depending on your climate, that could be a big deal. Next, visually inspect the exterior of your home's facade for any signs of damage such as cracks in the mortar or siding. Make the necessary repairs as soon as possible. Eventually, water will make its way inside your home if you do not make these repairs and ultimately cause more damage. As with the interior, inspect around all exterior windows and doors for damage or missing weather stripping or seals. Replace as necessary. Doing so will save you in energy costs as well. Next, I'd like to talk about the roof. At least semi-annually, look for any signs of damage to shingles, standpipes, boots, and seals, flashings, and the chimney. If you find damage and are not sure how to make the repairs, contact a professional, and of course, you want to be safe climbing on your roof and ladder. And since while you're up there, it leads me to my next subject of cleaning the gutters. This is This item is self-explanatory and is very important to your home maintenance. Regular cleaning of gutters will aid in water runoff and avoid clogs which could damage your roof. The product itself will also have a longer life because the water will not back up and stay in the gutter, ultimately causing it to rot and eventually deteriorate. Next, you're going to want to treat outdoor wooden items. Ensure that you treat all wooden items that would be exposed to elements such as decks, railings, and fences. You want to treat them with a quality water sealant. Doing so will increase the life of your products and ultimately keep them looking better. Last, pressure washing. Pressure washing the exterior of your home will improve the appearance, remove mold causing dirt and debris, and revive old looking concrete driveways and patios. This is an easy and rewarding task which will benefit your home immensely. So today we talked about the areas of your home that you should regularly maintain, both inside and out. While this is not an all-inclusive list, it is a good starting point to keep the house that you love in the best shape possible. I hope that you use this information that I have given you and put it to practice in your own home soon. Thank you for your time.